Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to add payment method on Zapier. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in zapier.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Zapier. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're logged into your account, right over here, you'll be able to see your profile icon. Simply click on it. Now what you have to do is go to settings. For that, click on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface of Zapier. You'll be able to access the settings options from here. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like My Profile, Notifications, Security and Data, etc. At fourth, you'll be able to find the option for Billing and Uses. Simply click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the Billing and Uses interface. Initially, subscription option will be selected. You'll be able to find the option for billing settings at second. What you have to do is simply click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the billing settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At second, you'll be able to find the option for payment information. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for add payment method. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to fill in your payment information over here. First of all, you'll be able to find the field for payment method. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find three payment methods over here: credit or debit card, PayPal, bank transfer, US only. So simply click on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for credit or debit card, you'll have to enter the cardholder name over here. Also enter the card number. Also enter the expiry and CVC over here. You'll also have to select the country. First of all, what you have to do is click on the field of country. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the country of your choice. Now once you select the country, you'll also have to enter the state and postal code over here. Click on the field of state and select the state over here. Likewise, click on the field of postal code and enter the postal code. Right now, due to some reason, these options are disabled for me, so I'm not being able to fill up the information, but you'll be able to fill in the information. Simply provide all the payment informations over here. Now after you do that, save option will be enabled. What you have to do is simply click on it. After you do that, this payment method will be saved and that payment method will be added to your account. So like this, you'll be able to add it. So that is how you add payment method on Zapier account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.